Hello guys, today I will unbox Mi Band 4. This Mi Band 4 is China version. I bought from Lazada for Lazada sale. It cost me around 97 ringgit on that day. So I bought Mi Band 4 and Mi earphone. So I will unbox Mi Band only in this video. So in this video, the Mi Band 4 is the China version and it's come with 2 free gifts, random color pen and screen protector. So I will unbox the Mi Band 4. You can see this is the band, green color band, random color one, and this is the screen protector, and this is the phone, and this is the Mi Band 4. As you can see, it's written on Chinese in downside and all in Chinese. You can see. Okay, this is Mi Band 4. It's just the normal version, not the NFC version. Okay, I will open. Okay, wait, I am opening it. If you want compare with Mi Band 3, Mi Band 4 is more to the color display. Okay, because Mi Band 3 is not a color display, Mi Band 4 is a color display. So and you can change the display in the Mi Fit app. So first I want to take the Mi Band 4. It's Mi Band 4. I will open, and in the system will write in Chinese. After you connect with Mi Fit app, you can change to English automatically. And in Mi Fit app got lot of the displays and settings you can change, and they have Mi Band for manual. It's written on Chinese, so I cannot understand because it's the China version. And outside got the charger. I forget to show it. Never mind, I will put in last of this video. You can see how I will edit. So guys, this is the Mi Band 4 charger, and this is different from Mi Band 3. Okay, bye.